This was really a creative way to make a puppet doll using different kinds of papers. Materials required: newspapers, different colored crepe papers, white tissue paper, empty matchbox, fabric colors, brushes, stone decorations, gota, rule, adhesive, scissors. First, fold the outer cover of a matchbox into a triangular shape by squeezing it just like this. Now, take 2 crushed pieces of white paper. Apply some glue inside the outer matchbox cover and insert and paste the crushed paper pieces. Apply more glue and paste a crushed paper ball on the top of it. Next, paste the lower end of the legs with yellow crepe paper. Similarly, do this for the arms of the puppet. Now, paste blue crepe paper for making the skirt of the puppet doll. Now, crush and shape the feet of the puppet doll to form jutis. Paint the face of the puppet doll using fabric colors like white, black and red. Decorate the puppet doll further using gota, wool, etc. on the arms. To make the headgear of the puppet doll, use pink crepe paper just like this. give the puppet doll a finishing touch, paste stones on different parts to beautifully decorate it. This was really a creative way to make a puppet doll using different kinds of papers.